I am your host, Chapatti, and we are in Bangalore, India. Mr. Yachindra Das,
Yes.
who's come from a very traditional Ayurvedic treatment.
You can, wherever there is a skin disease, you can just apply neem oil.
There's a folk tradition of folk medicine and herbs and healthy eating that many people are interested in.
And the more blood circulation you have, the more oxygen you have in your body, the more healthier your organs will be.
Real ginger, yeah.
Real ginger.
Yeah.
It's very good for digestion.
Yeah.
Prana and energy, it is a very key point in yoga, yes?
Yes. And so when the prana is high, when the life force is high within us, then depression fades away, it goes away.
What is a way to strengthen our lungs? Like you said, breath work, breathing exercises, yoga, Tai Chi, Qigong.
Science has proven the DNA in each of our cells emits specific levels of light, that when our health is diminishing, that light is dimming. When our health is coming back up, that light vibration is coming back up.
If I want to change my life, I don't need to change you. I need to see how I contributed to this problem and make that change within myself.
Dream talk. Yes. But in our language we say Chupapa, and it relates us to all things as one.
In ancient wisdom, heart houses the mind and the soul.
We have to be open, we have to be willing to trust, we have to be ready to receive, and then we have to have the courage to share.
You and I both know that it's almost impossible not to get enough protein. If you eat sufficient calories and you eat a varied diet of fruits, vegetables, grains, there are amino acid chains that make up a complete protein. So the only problems regarding protein in people's diets are too much protein.
Now, in the U.S., we've been educating consumers about the health dangers of genetically engineered bovine growth hormone.
And so we're not eating fresh food, we're not eating anything that's healthy or nutritious. And so until we deal with that, the rest of it we're just playing with.
Half the hyperactivity problems would be erased, would be cured if children were going to organic. And that's been my clinical experience as well.
Veggies, fruits, nuts, and seeds. Chapatti, thank you for teaching us to be healthy.